If you are using Microsoft Copilot and want to automate your day-to-day work, then this video is for you. My friend, in this video, I am going to create a simple sales agent which receives inquiry related to travel plan, prepare plan, and reply back to the sender's email. So without any further delay, let's start this video. I am Sandeep, Microsoft MVP, and welcome to my channel. So now let's create new agent, and to create a agent you can see we have two options. One is you can directly use new agent, either you can click on all agents, and that is where you can see on top right side create agent. So any of those you can select and it will take you on a page from where you can create your new agent. So here we have two options. One is configure, other one is describe. So configure, in case you want to configure all these inputs by your own. Also the good part is here you can see template, and in this drop down you can see a lot of other templates available. So any of those you can select based on your requirement. For example, writing coach, prompt coach, meeting coach, learning coach, career coach, idea coach. So any of those template you can select, and whenever you will select a template you can see this screen will be auto populated with template. So if you want to make any change, for example in name, description or instruction, you can change from here and then click on create to create new agent. In right side you can see the preview of this agent is available. So for example, if I am changing from one agent to another agent, you can see preview is also changing. So that's the good part. Like once you are happy, you can create agent based on these templates. You can also like go and create your agent just without any template using your own. But in case you want that I want to create a agent just using a prompt, either if any of those templates are not matching with your requirement, you can use describe, and here you will give a prompt and AI will configure agent for you. So let me give a prompt. When a new inquiry is coming related to Dubai travel plan, use knowledge base to create plan and share with user. So now you can see I given a prompt. I will attach two files. One is hotel price list I added here in this Excel sheet, and the another one is day wise plan, like 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, all those plans I have here. So it will go to these two files and prepare a travel plan for users. So I will click enter, and once you will click enter, it will just take few seconds based on your prompt. If it is a quite big prompt, then it might can take more. So just wait for that time, and then you can see your agent is ready in preview mode. So you can see on the very top right, draft auto saved. So this is the drafted mode, and you can see the name and the suggested prompts. So this is the preview of your new agent. If you want to make any change, again you don't have to do anything. You will just write a prompt and able to make change in your newly drafted agent. So I will just write change name to Dubai AI planner and enter. So now you can see even though I'm not going to change anything manually, but just using prompt I'm able to change name. So any kind of change you can make using prompt. Once everything is ready and you are happy, you will click on create. Now your drafted agent is being converted into a real agent. So again it will take few seconds and then you will get this message. Click on go to agent and it will take you on the agent page. So now you can chat with this newly created agent. So I will give a prompt and then enter answer. So now 3 days plan is ready. So our first step is done. So the next step is to create a workflow. So whenever I am going to receive an email related to Dubai travel enquiry, it will use my newly created agent Dubai AI planner, prepare the plan and reply back to the sender's email. So now if you click on all agents, and that is where you can see built by Microsoft, a template you can see workflows. So you can click on workflow and from here you can install workflows. So workflows are the templates by which you can create workflow using AI. So you will just give the prompt and AI will create a workflow for you using Microsoft tools or apps. So I will click on add, and once it is added, it will be ready for us to use. So now it's added. In the left side you can see workflows, and if you will click on workflow, so here you can see a text box. That is where you will give the prompt and it will create a new workflow for us without any coding, without any technical knowledge. So I will write a query when new email arrives related to Dubai travel plan, use agent Dubai AI planner and then send plan to, then reply back to sender's email. So I'm just giving one line prompt and you can see it will able to create a workflow. So again AI is preparing a workflow using Microsoft Outlook. And now you can see workflow is ready. The first step is trigger, the second step is using Copilot, and the third step is a reply. If you are happy, you don't want to make any change, in that case you will just click on save. So now it is saved. Email address. So I'm just writing, I am looking for 2 days Dubai, 2 days travel plan for Dubai. 2 days Dubai travel plan. This is better. So I will just copy it, paste, send. So just wait to receive it. Now I got it. And let's go back to flow and see. Yeah, it's running, and you can see like first step, second step and third step, and you can see like this is the email I got reply in a proper format. So it's working. So friends, in this video, we created agent, we created workflow, and we also created a simple sales agent which receives email, preparing plan, and replying back to the sender's email. If you like my content, please like and subscribe my channel, and see you in next video.